Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the 5 mistakes to avoid when buying your first PC. I'm your host, and in this video, we'll be discussing some common mistakes that first-time PC buyers make and how to avoid them. So, buying a new PC can be exciting, but it's important to avoid common mistakes that many first-time buyers make. Some of these tips could save you money or make your next gaming PC faster and quieter. Here are 5 tips to keep in mind when purchasing your first PC so you can get the best gaming experience. Let's start with mistake number 1, which is not doing enough research. Many first-time PC buyers jump into the market without doing enough research and end up buying a PC that doesn't meet their needs. It's important to do your due diligence and research the different types of PCs and how they perform. I'm not saying you need to know everything, but take the time to research the latest technology and compare different models and brands to save yourself a lot of money. If you have absolutely no idea or just don't have the time, try and ask a friend or read reviews on Google. Mistake number 2, prioritizing style over performance. I know I'm guilty of this. I just love when the PC looks good and makes me want a game. But while a PC that looks cool can be tempting, don't compromise on performance and functionality just for the sake of style. Make sure to prioritize performance over aesthetics when making your purchase. Mistake number 3, not considering storage capacity. It's easy to overlook storage capacity when buying a PC, but it's important. Many first-time buyers underestimate how much storage they'll need and end up running out of space quickly. Make sure to not only look at the graphics card and processor, but also look at the storage. And always look for SSD over HDD. SSD is a lot faster when opening games than any HDD storage. Mistake number 4, not paying attention to noise levels. Some PCs can be quite loud, which can be extremely distracting and very annoying. If you plan on using your PC in a quiet environment like your bedroom or an office, make sure to look for PCs that have quiet fans and other noise-reducing features. The best tip I can give you would be to look for a CPU fan. That is not the stock fan. You should be able to see the CPU fan under the specs. If it says stock cooler, I would recommend looking for another option, or changing it if you can. Mistake number 5, buying an outdated PC. Technology moves fast, and PCs that were once top of the line can quickly become outdated. So before making a purchase, make sure to research the latest technology and components to ensure that you're buying an up-to-date PC that's future-proof. If this seems like a lot to do, then I would again recommend just using 1 hour to research and compare the PCs you are considering. Asking forums and checking reviews is a great way to just gain a little perspective. Lastly, I want to give a little bonus tip that you can consider if you want to save a little bit of money. Look for used parts on Facebook or anywhere else, depending on where you live. This is where I've been buying most of my parts for all the PCs that I've built. My personal gaming computer also concedes used parts. I've still up to this day never had any trouble that I could not fix when buying used parts. If you are not comfortable with buying expensive used products, I get it. This is also just a little tip to keep in mind, together with all the other mistakes. So by following these tips, you can avoid common mistakes and make an informed decision when purchasing your first PC. Take the time to research different models and brands, prioritize performance over style. Consider the storage capacity, pay attention to noise levels, and look for an up-to-date PC to ensure that you get the most out of your investment. I hope this video was just a little helpful and that you make the right choice when buying your next gaming PC. You can check my profile for some PC build inspirations. Thank you for watching.